Chapter 4 Building Your Model Truss Bridge. Reading C. The purpose of models. Models are used by all kinds of engineers to provide a three-dimensional example of how a final building, bridge, or structure will look. Models also allow the engineer to try different solutions for problems prior to building the structure. A scale model of a bridge may cost an engineer several $1,000s. However, the cost of the model will be far less than the cost of the project. The engineer must take every precaution to ensure the design meets all requirements of the client and building codes. The Wright brothers used model wing sections in a wind tunnel to gain a better understanding of flight. Models used for designing modern aircraft and automobiles are placed in wind tunnels with wind speeds ranging from a small breeze to hundreds of miles per hour. Models of spacecraft are made and carefully tested prior to actual construction. Today's computer programs are also capable of generating a model on screen to test various aspects of plane and bridge design, not to mention other products. Architects use models to experiment with wind forces on structures. Models also help architects to see how the appearance of the building will blend in with the area in which it will be built. Models have played an important part in the history of movies as well. From the original 1933 version of King Kong to movies made in recent years, models make the impossible possible in movies. In the early years of cinema, the models looked more like small toys. Over time, those small physical models were used along with robotic models and computer models to create more updated effects. The Star Wars and Jurassic Park movies are good examples. Now, computer modeling has largely taken over in creating fantasy rides such as Pirates of the Caribbean movies and even updated version of King Kong. Models, whether 6 inches tall and made by hand or completely computer-generated, enable simulations of spacecraft, creatures, or entire planets that exist only in the minds of creators. Model construction methods. When making a wooden model of a bridge, joints are often the most critical aspect of making the model as strong as possible. Once a joint fails, the structural integrity of the entire bridge is weakened. This weakening starts a chain reaction that can cause the total failure of the structure. Using the appropriate glue is another vital element in building a strong bridge. A good aliphatic type wood glue is recommended, such as Pittsco Colored Structures glue. Its color enables quick identification of joints and the amount of glue used, which can be important in various competitions. Pittsco HD Bond adhesive also works well. While building, consider that glue does not work well on the end grain of wood. You will make a stronger bridge if the joints are made with the side grain of the wood.